Dobrich, Black Sea style. Get the housewarming party started. 1 hour away from Varna Airport. Inside bathroom. New windows. Cozy, quiet, and ready for your chosen touch. Top of the day to you, bargain-seeking house hunters. We're back in Dobrich, Black Sea region, one last time before the Euro kicks in. Love the Black Sea, but hate the crowds? Then this is definitely the place for you. Last call, Bulgaria. 1,633 square meters. Outbuildings. And today's beauty is presented in a fresh protective coat of RIL 1023 Traffic Orange. It's the same color as the Berlin U-Bahn. Willkommen im U-Bahn House. Matching tiles. Ballermann am Balkan. Okay, you have your corridor, you have a new boiler, and a sewing machine. Looks neat. And you have your first room. Definitely looks like my grandmother's house. 1930 Art Deco. You have parquet floors, and you have beautiful views of your garden. Black Sea grapes. And let's go check out the rest. So, you have new doors. Corridor. The second room, again, very, very beautiful views. We have the third room on this floor, AC unit. Hot offer exclusive to Bulgariadirect, a free pechka. Wooden floors, warm pechka, and beautiful views. Inside bathroom, Ostrov style. You loved them last time, and we love them so much that we got the last batch from the factory. And here's your vintage kitchen. Good enough for starters. Pechka. And here's the extension. As you know by now, these are barely worth a mention. We know many of you don't read descriptions, so we'll make it very clear. Each and every house will need repairs, and viewing in person is always recommended. And the first one to slap down the deposit takes the key. Black Sea region, under an hour away from airport and coast. The best locations only by Bulgariadirect. Again, this is going to